Hey everyone, welcome back to Galaxy's CELPIP tutorial. In today's video, we're diving deep into CELPIP Writing Task 1, where you'll learn essential strategies, see a real sample question, and compare 3 different response levels such as beginner, intermediate, and advanced. First, I'll walk you through the structure of Writing Task 1, including what examiners look for. Then, we'll break down a sample question and analyze 3 different responses, showing exactly what makes a response basic, good, or outstanding. Plus, I'll share some expert strategies to help you achieve a CELPIP 9+ score. So, make sure to stick around till the end, hit that like button, and subscribe for more CELPIP tips. Let's get started. The CELPIP writing module consists of 2 tasks. First, writing an email, and second, responding to a survey question. Both tasks must be completed within 55 to 60 minutes. To achieve a high score, test takers must demonstrate strong writing skills across several key factors. Let's break down the main categories that examiners evaluate when scoring your responses. The first category is content and coherence. How well are your ideas developed? A well-structured response isn't just about writing in English. It's about how clearly and logically your ideas are presented. In this category, the examiners will look for, first, the number of ideas presented. Have you included enough points to fully answer the question? Second, the quality of ideas. Are your ideas meaningful, relevant, and well thought out? Third, how well is your response organized? Do your ideas flow logically, or does your writing jump from one point to another? And fourth, any examples and supporting details are included. Have you backed up your points with clear examples or explanations? A strong response is clear, well-organized, and fully developed, ensuring the reader understands your message without confusion. The second category is vocabulary. Are you using the right words effectively? Word choice plays a crucial role in achieving a high CELPIP score. Here, examiners assess variety and range. Are you using diverse vocabulary, or do you repeat the same words? Next, accuracy and precision. Do your words convey the exact meaning you intend? And lastly, appropriate use of words and phrases. Are you using idiomatic expressions and formal or informal language correctly? Using precise and varied vocabulary helps make your writing more engaging and professional. The third category is readability. How easy is your writing to follow? A well-written response should be easy to read and understand. Here, the examiners check format and paragraphing. Is your writing well structured with clear paragraphs? Next, the use of connectors and transition words. Do you smoothly link ideas with words like however, in addition, or therefore? Thirdly, grammar and sentence structure. Are your sentences grammatically correct and varied in length and complexity? Lastly, spelling and punctuation. Have you avoided typos and punctuation errors? A response that is clear, well-structured, and grammatically sound improves readability and leaves a good impression. The final category is the task fulfillment. Did you complete the task as required? Finally, examiners assess how well your response meets the task requirements. This includes relevance. Have you addressed all parts of the question without going off topic? Next, completeness. Is your response detailed enough, or does it feel incomplete? Next, tone. Have you used the appropriate tone, formal or informal, based on the task? The last one is word count. Have you written within the required word limit? Failing to meet these criteria can lower your score, even if your grammar and vocabulary are strong. The CELPIP test features certain helpful tools such as a word counter, spell checker, and timer. However, there are penalties, which is a score reduction, for not meeting the word count. So be mindful of how much you write. The spell checker will highlight the typo errors and not the word with actual spelling used wrongly. For example, if you want to use root, that is the way, and instead if you have written root, the part of the plant, it won't show wrong. You are required to include the given tasks in the questions. These tasks will give you enough hints to develop the content. CELPIP Writing Task 1 requires you to write emails for various purposes, such as making requests, giving information, or sending invitations. Understanding the structure of different email types is essential for scoring well. Look at the examples of formal and informal emails and try to make your template for every type. You will need to write an email within 150 to 200 words. The email must be well structured, clear, and relevant to the given prompt. The structure of an email should be of 4 to 5 paragraphs. If needed, you can add more. The first paragraph should include the greetings, the purpose of the email, and introduce the situation. Start your email with a greeting like, "Dear Sir" or "Madam," "Dear Smith," or "Hey John," based on the email type. Don't include home or business addresses. Also, you don't need a to, from, or subject line. The second paragraph should discuss the situation in detail and include the main ideas or reasons and an explanation for the ideas in detail with suitable examples. Support the main ideas with specific details. Use your own words. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation, transitions, and paragraphing. Write at least one sentence for each task, and most tasks will need more. The third paragraph should include additional details, or sometimes you may be asked to give your opinions or suggestions on what you expect the reader to do about the situation. And finally, the conclusion part should summarize your entire email and close it. For sign-off, use your own name or fake name with pleasantries like "kind regards," "warm regards," "yours sincerely," "cheers," and so on. Let us look into an example. You are organizing a birthday party for your kid who is turning 7 this May. Write an email to a friend in 150 to 200 words, inviting him or her to the birthday party. You should include the date and time of the party, how it is organized, any one thing you are expecting from your friend. To respond effectively, ensure you include all necessary details. In this email, you need to mention the date and time of the party. Explain how you have organized the event. Request one specific thing from your friend like helping with photography or bringing a dish. The CELPIP writing test assesses key aspects such as grammar, vocabulary, coherence, organization, and task completion. Following is an explanation of how writing complexity varies across different levels and what score range each level typically receives. This response features simple sentence structures such as, "I hope you are doing well, it would mean a lot to us, I really do hope." Basic vocabulary with minimal variation like fun games, tasty food, few linking words, or transitions. There are mostly short sentences with limited complexity, repetition of words, and some grammar or punctuation errors that may impact clarity. Overall, it is understandable, but lacks fluency and variety. The response at this level is clear but basic. While it completes the task, it lacks complexity, strong organization, and sophisticated transitions, resulting in a CELPIP 5 to 6 score. Characteristics of this response are, it uses a mix of simple and complex sentence structures, such as, "The kids will have an amazing time, and it will be great to catch up with you too." Next, some use of linking words and transitional phrases like, "By the way, since you take amazing pictures." Moderate vocabulary range, including topic-specific words such as theme party, play area, and plenty of delicious food. Better organization of ideas with clear progression. Fewer grammar and punctuation mistakes, but minor errors may still occur. Talking about the expected score, test taker at this level will secure CELPIP 7 to 8 because the writing is well structured, grammatically sound, and includes some linking words. However, it may lack sophisticated vocabulary, idiomatic expressions, or strong cohesion between ideas. This response features characteristics like a blend of compound and complex sentences, such as, "To make the day extra special, we're planning a theme party with exciting games, delicious treats, and a beautifully decorated cake." Effective use of transitions and connectors, such as, "That being said, and on another note." Diverse and precise vocabulary, including idiomatic phrases. For example, "It wouldn't be the same without you," quote, or "A picture is worth 1,000 words." Strong logical flow with well-connected ideas, minimal to no grammar or punctuation errors, and an engaging and natural tone that suits the context. The test taker at this level can expect CELPIP 9 or higher because the writing is sophisticated, engaging, and well developed. It demonstrates fluency, appropriate transitions, and varied sentence structures, making it stand out as professional and natural. The key takeaways are: 1. Beginner-level writing is basic and clear, but lacks complexity and fluency. 2. Intermediate-level writing is well organized with moderate complexity, but may still have minor weaknesses. And 3. Advanced-level writing showcases strong language control, fluid transitions, and sophisticated vocabulary. To achieve a CELPIP 9+, focus on expanding vocabulary, using linkers effectively, improving sentence variety, and incorporating natural expressions. Speaking about time management, you have 27 minutes to complete Task 1. This allows you enough time to plan and check each response. It is strongly recommended that you spend around 4 to 5 minutes planning each response before you start to write. Follow these steps. You should brainstorm for 2 to 3 minutes. List down your ideas and reasons. Use point form and don't worry about spelling or grammar. Choose your main ideas. Put the ideas in order. Think of supporting details. Write a strong, clear purpose statement. It is also recommended that you spend around 3 minutes checking your response after you write. Reread your response several times to make sure you can't see any mistakes, the ideas are organized, and you answer the whole question. Look at the transition and linking words to get a better understanding on how and where to use those in your writing, as well as speaking responses. Know the meaning of every linkers and try practicing the usage in your daily life conversations. That wraps up our session on CELPIP Writing Task 1. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Reach us at faculty@galaxytraining.in. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement in no time. Sign up for our online practice resources and get an evaluation and personalized feedback from our experts on your writing and speaking responses.